we move, we trust. Sam Euler shakes the ground with brilliance and might, a seismic wave of excellence in the endless fight. United we stand, unstoppable we soar, building a legacy that shakes the core. This is STEM 12 Euler.
In 1888, at 12 a.m. local time, a devastating earthquake hit near the islands of Mindanao and Sulu in the Philippines. Measuring 8 on the moment magnitude scale, the earthquake occurred at a depth of 20 kilometers. This powerful tremor triggered a destructive tsunami, amplifying the devastation. The disaster claimed the lives of an estimated 5,000 to 8,000 people, making it the deadliest earthquake to hit the Philippines in nearly 6 decades. The effects were catastrophic, leaving thousands of families affected and entire communities destroyed.
Muling! 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 It's coming! Let's go! Ang bunutin! Nangyayari na! Kamusta? Kamusta na? She's well could be fate or ghost. Come stay. It's a right place, it's our own time. Time's beside life. In the endless to tell us what to make it short seem right. Do you know whatever we want? So to share.
Grabe! Ano nagaling ka ba sa kubang lindol sa una? May tsunami pa! Mas grabe gidya! So scary talaga!
Yeah, so heartbreaking to see the destruction of the people who were affected. A lot of them lost their lives. Yeah, but then what happened here? You know, this is a guy. What will we do? Well, let's just hope that safe sila. And also, we never know.
Yes, it's a good thing na rin that we already know what to do during an earthquake. Yung drop cover and hold, di ba? Right?
You know, Gab, we already know about that. Pero, paano mga tao sa mga tayo na pagkasunod na radyo para about sa preparedness? Saan yun? Paano sila ihan nakasurvive or nakasurvive na din pala sila ihan?
Nakabalo sila sa drop cover and hold. Earthquake habits with no warning signs. Say ayo, stay alert. Oh.
Say, mama shaking, it's like a fire.
Say ayo. Don't let go, cause we can drop down low. We can stay just right. We can shield ourselves. Hold on tight with all your might. It can happen once, it can happen twice. Unpredictable, don't roll the dice. An earthquake happens with no warning signs. Say ayo, stay alert. Oh. Be prepared all the time. Say ayo, don't let go.
So, ano na ganito dapat ang natin ngayong moment when earthquake happens? It's important to know how to stay safe.
Exactly. We have to prepare at all times because we never know when it can happen.
Di, dalian, nagkakatuwa, may tapuso ka pa nila tao. Ay, sos, ano man ako gusto yung halay, patagani, atat-atat masyado sis.
Guys, but what if we were there during that time? Can we save ourselves? Or even help others? Sa inyo, what do you think, guys?
You know, God, we don't know for sure. We were born back then. Alam ka naman mag-time travel ka, di ba? At ka-scientist. Try mo bigyan time travel ka. Tapos di ka na, di ba na magbalik ka?
Ito naman, maybe I'm just tired. Pero, we can talk about time travel later. It's a good topic, you know?
Ano ka mo duwa? Let's just go to sleep. Kasi ng mga documentary namin. Let's finish our report tomorrow. Wala ano ginapamisan yung aduwa. Namin naman to, hindi na kuya ba? Para naman, we're not mindful, we're demure. Dali, ano na din? Gila na sa kama.
Pero guys, sa inyo,
Matulog na tayo.
tugit ay hanang time travel.
Pagaina kapag agha, pagaina kapag lapan na mo ginapamisan
Pero
mo.
mga topic,
Gab, yan, tao, uy, ano ni? Dalawa ka na doon, hindi naman yung kwarto yan.
ano ni? Kanain sa forma sa mga tao at pati mga balay. Hindi man? Hindi ko mainsindi. Hindi glance.
Wala, hindi ka na doon.
Is this a prank?
Grabe ka, prank mo ba? Effort so much, tamo ba, Jen? Ay,
Sorry, ha?
Ito,
Pasensya
tawa.
na kayo, ma'am.
Nanduman yung net na yun. Nakita ko na sir ka na yung newspaper.
Hindi kayo mag-joke. Malaking Leo?
Uy, for real? Oo, nagtawa niyo.
Narito, di.
Naman yung nagtawa ka. Sila, oh, bakit mo? Pasensya na po, kuya.
Hindi, okay lang ikaw. Pero, gawin naman lang ko tayo. Nagdamo ka talagang sabaw, pati ikaw.
Kuya, hindi po kita maintindihan. Ibig niyang sabihin ay kung bakit nagkakagulo ang mga tao dito at pati na rin ikaw. Eh kasi po, bigla po kasi yumating yung lupa at...
Ano nangyari?
Serious ka gano'n ako na tapos sumutulos na ba ako na kanina?
Kitli, hindi tayo para mag-joke!
Oh God, I'm sorry, I'm just scared of what's happening.
Nakatudalas na. Sila na tayo.
Kenley!
Kenley!
Kailangan natin
Trying your best to fall apart. When you reach for the light, but it's still so dark. When you fight to stand, but you can't prepare. Things instinct you can take. I know someone, but you can't prevent. When the love is gone, but it's all mistake. You leave behind. Nights will guide you home. Every night your voice, and I will try to fix you. Panginoon! Salamat! At iligtas mo kami. Dali lang, baka yumanig pa ang lupa. Huwag ka munang umalis. Patay yung kapatid ko! Hanapin natin siya mamaya at pakiusap makinig ka muna sa amin. Wait! Sandali lang, bata! Akala ko rin, ang gamit na nilaga sa ating banyo. At baka wala na kanina. Hilingan mo pa! Tumakbo na daw!
Sino ba namin hindi magpanik, Kenley? I'm sorry. Ano na kasi ate, sabi niya magwawa na. Well, let's just talk.
Kanilang gid, sutuod gid galing nga wala pa awareness sa mga tao sa una. About the safety measures to do when an earthquake is happening.
Kung papanik, pati sila magsige talagan, the worst can happen. Let's work them.
Everyone! Everyone! Ang ibig ko sabihin na,
Anong ibig mong sabihin? Hindi mo nakikita. Hindi kami Ayun na nga! Kapag mas lalo tayong tumakbo, maaari tayong magpahamak!
Ayan, tama nga pong ginagawa niyo. Dahan-dahan na lang po.
Alala lang po ulit kung maaari lumayo po tayo sa mga puno at mga bahay dahil maaari po tayo matagalan ng mga ito. Lumayo na naman ang lupa! Hindi mo na kaya! Tatakbuhin mo na ako!
Bakit sila wala? Bakit sila
Makinig po kayong lahat! Sundin lang po kami!
Guys, tayo po ay umuko. Ilagay ang dalawang kamay sa batok po natin at tumuhod.
Kung may makikita malamas ang taguan,
Manako na punta. Sige niyo.
sa daw? Gaya, wag ito yung mami tayo. I-remake na yung mga limutan. Gani tayo. Fire America. Pag ginaamoy ko rin. Ni Mark, sila ni Mark lang, no?
Ang dami nilang tiniis. Siguro sa pagkakita ko.
Sinikal ko na!
Anything we can do.
Tanamon ka gano'n.
I can't believe how bad it is. Hindi ko pinakala ang pinag-aaral na gano'n.
May
Walang
makanta po dahil.
sistema. Walang kaalaman.
May makanta po.
So, this is exactly what happened in Vic. Now, I realize how important to be knowledgeable in this kind of situation.
Alam mo namin mga pinapong namamatay. Sa awa po ng Diyos, nakinig po kami sa inyong mga bayan na ligtas. Ano sa inyo? Nandito po sinasabi, naligtas kami ng aking anak. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala na kami. Napapasalamat mo.
Maraming salamat. Ligtas kayo.
Nasa nakawawalan niyo.
Ang itim at ihok. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, nandito pa rin kami. Salamat talaga. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa inyong tatlo, wala na hindi sa aking mga kaibigan. Dahil sa inyo, alam na namin ang aming gagawin kapag imaniglit ang lupa. Hindi namin kayo makakalimutan. Mga ihaan niyo.
Last time tayo. Okay lang. Nag-enjoy mo ito. Sige lang.
Was that real?
Nakabitaw ko kamay na nagbalik ka sa unang panahon?
It feels so real, but it couldn't be, di ba?
Maybe we're just overthinking it. We were just watching about a documentary on earthquake earlier.
Dream man or hindi, I realize how important to be prepared all the times so we can save ourselves and others.
Well, if it is true, we've done all that we can do. Pero, daw ka kulang gid Japon niya. Sobra gid ka kulang.
Kadamos sa ina na dulang. Mga buhi, mga buhi. Alam mo kabalo kung paano sila makabangon liwan.
Wait, that's what we're doing!
They were shock supported. We need to stay safe.
We were just talking about earthquake na. No, it's really happening here. Let's make sure we're prepared for this.
Kids! Tawag ka muna sa kwarto! Hindi ka muna magtanim! Dali!
Mabawa!
Okay lang mo? Gab? Yana? His name is Potito.
Oh, dili ka muna na itulong sa sala ha, para in case maglinog liwan, makakadto kami tayo sa inyo, okay?
Bobo.
Thank you.
Ay, wow! Ano yun?
So ma'am, what can you say about the earthquake that happened decades ago? Was it like being one of the survivors on that major or killer earthquake?
Sa totoo lang po,
Wait,
hindi po talaga
I think I
namin alam.
recognize the person from earlier.
Ha?
Aram, di ko na ako familiar sa iya.
Ano man? Kaya ba't pinaday ko mahit-hit lang? Ano ka na sa akin, Day?
Wala ko pala ka-joke, Kenny. That was the person who helped during earthquake.
Sabi mga bata mo na!
Ano di sing tagadamgo de?
Wait. No way. How is that even possible?
It's Clara! Well, this experience taught us that we need to be safe in any disasters.
But we never know what will happen, so we need to be ready.
Let's always stay alert and make sure we have our preparations for situations like this.
Gawagan na uga?
Be prepared. Together, we